Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Theros Beyond Death. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Starlit Mantle, followed by Reed of Mountain's Blaze, Discordant Piper, Loathsome Chimera, Chain to Memory, Farrakha's Libation, Hyrax's Tower Scout, Wings of Hubris, Flicker of Fate, Mischievous Chimera, Stinging Lionfish, Destiny Spinner, Nadir Kraken, Renata Called to the Hunt in foil treatment with showcase art, Our Land is a Plains, and we have an Arena promo card at the back. We have a Plains. Then we have Renata Called to the Hunt in showcase art and foil treatment. Then we have the Nadir Kraken, which for 1 and 2 blue, you get a 2/3 creature. It says whenever you draw a card, you may pay 1. If you do, put a 1/1 counter on Nadir Kraken and create a 1/1 blue tentacle creature token. In a heavy card draw deck, this is a great way to go tall and wide at the same time. By paying the extra 1, you're pumping up your Kraken and getting a tentacle. If you're able to get 3, 4, 5 draws in a turn and you have the extra mana, you can very easily swarm your opponent with 1/1 tentacles and then still have a really big beater with your Kraken. I tried to do something like this in red-blue on Arena like a year and a half, 2 years ago at this point. It didn't work out great. I was definitely not playing optimally with it, but there is definitely a strategy around it, and I am going to try to do it in paper now. I'm going to see if I can do it better now that I have a little bit more experience building decks again, because that was shortly after I got back into Magic, so was definitely rusty. Next we have Destiny Spinner, followed by Stinging Lionfish, Mischievous Chimera, Flicker of Fate, Wings of Hubris, Hyrax's Tower Scout, Farrakha's Libation, Chain to Memory, Loathsome Chimera, Discordant Piper, Reed of Mountain's Blaze, and Starlit Mantle. That's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.